AIDS Healthcare Foundation, AHF, a non-governmental organization, has called on stakeholders to create equal opportunities for the advancement of girls to strive in the digital world. Kemi, Gbadamosi, Director, Advocacy Policy and Marketing, AHF-AFRICA, made the call in Abuja at an event to commemorate the 2021 International Day of the Girl Child. The theme for this year's AHF event, Amplify Her Voice, fights to keep girls healthy, help girls succeed.
The International Day of the Girl Child is always on October 11, which is a day set aside to celebrate not only the girl child but also highlight or amplify the issues that basically hamper girls' access to opportunities, girls' access to education, and the day is also used around the world to remind whether it's global leaders, communities, governments on the need to also ensure that girls are given equal opportunities as boys, on the need to ensure that practices that constantly discriminate against girls or constantly leave girls behind are abolished from our communities, on the need to create laws and policies that are favorable, that allows for the protection of girls. So whether it's laws that challenge and tackle gender-based violence, issues of rape, or laws that challenge social norms and
she advised girls to focus on digitalization and technology to enable them break boundaries and barriers and make a difference in the world.
The science, technology, engineering and mathematics, popularly known as STEM, we have very fewer women and fewer girls in these very sectors. And that is because a lot of times, even in our schools and in our homes, girls are told that STEM is not for girls, it is mostly for boys. But we've seen that that stereotype is actually flawed. We see that it is wrong because we have seen women in science, women in technology, women in engineering and women in mathematics who constantly break boundaries and break barriers, to make a difference in our world. We're now seeing aerospace engineers that are women. We're seeing women go to space. We're seeing women leading research in science. So it is very, very instrumental that this year the focus is on digitalization. Technology is a big deal in the world today, and we want to see more girls go into technology.
Mr. Adekunle BALOGUN-ASHRY, Child Development Department in the Ministry of Women Affairs, said the ministry was aware of the challenges of gender inequality, hence was working assiduously to end the menace.
A lot of policy. We are formulating policies that will trickle down to the local government in respect of girl-child education, gender inequalities that is being faced right now. But this notion is beginning to change with the efforts of the ministry. We have a lot of child-focused NGOs that have been helping in respect of advocacy to get this message down to the lowest rank of the society.
Raji, Program Officer, Strong Enough Girls Empowerment Initiative, said the day was important as it focused on encouraging girls to leverage technology to lead better and fulfilled lives.
You inform the girl child, she makes healthy decisions. You've given her agency to be able to make decisions that will help her grow, help her stay in school and fulfill her ambitions. I'm also speaking to the leaders, and this is an advocacy message to do better for us and help girls. If it's to subsidize menstrual products, it will go a long way, because we still have girls who don't go to school because they cannot afford sanitary products. We have girls who have infections because of poor menstrual hygiene, because they also don't have. And
17-year-old students of Government Secondary School, Kuje, with the use of sign language, highlighted challenges confronting deaf girls, such as information on menstrual hygiene and clean sanitary environments, among others.
The issues of the deaf girls is that deaf girls have issues when it comes to menstrual hygiene, because they lack good toilets. Deaf girls have been violently discriminated, and the deaf girls, they lack access to information when it comes to sexual and reproductive health rights. Government should come and help in renovating the toilets in the school and make sure that they are close to the classrooms.
The event featured distribution of free sanitary pads as well as drama and dance presentations from various government and private schools within the FCT.